dismantle all the power cables, all the things from your laptop. Now take your battery outside from the laptop, kept it to other place. Now take a screwdriver, see your hard disk is here. Now de-screw your hard disk very carefully. Just see this lock is here. Now gently press your hard disk to the opposite side from the connector. This is the old SATA type hard disk. Now we are going to replace this hard disk by WD Green 240 GB SATA SSD, solid state device. Now you have to see your connectors, your both connectors of the laptop, this one and this one. Gently press towards the connector. That's it. Put all the screws of your previous hard disk. After that, and lock. Gently insert your battery. This flip will be locked. On your laptop and reinstall your Windows. That's it. How to connect this SATA SSD WD Green 240 GB hard disk to your PC. So first of all you need a SATA cable, and now you have to see your connector. This connector you have to insert like this. This is connected. Now connect this to one of your port. Better to connect it in the SATA 1 power. This one connected. This one connected. Now you have to find the power cable for your SSD on your power supply. Just see this one. Lock this hard disk anywhere where you want and reinstall your Windows. That's it.